Spirit Team, what is it you'd like to share with me today? We are grateful for this connection and deepening our relationship with one another. As we are all in unity, this is a great opportunity to experience that of which you are and that of which you think you are not. We would like to share at this present moment that the understanding of unity is going to continue to broaden. This expansion, although it is known on a soul level, is being reminded to you in a human form. You are a vast expression of Source. Each of you that is present has experienced many different expressions. And as you step into that understanding, you are then bringing forth and integrating that into your human form. This is a new experience for the human species, one of which has not been fully embodied. In other expressions on the earthly realm, there was understanding of Source and the individual within that, but this is the incarnation in which this expression is fully integrated, being able to utilize aspects of the soul self, which in human form provides unique opportunities to overcome. But each and every one of you are capable of this. Step into that understanding, allow gratitude and acceptance to flow through, and as you allow this, the seemingly easier it becomes. Take this with you as you walk into future now moments. You are unlimited potential. Continue to interweave this into your understanding, into the very essence of what you are. The vessel has a question in regards to, in what ways am I not embracing change? There is resistance to this change. Resistance is the ego, in some sense, holding on as it does not want to be left behind. And the more that you embrace all aspects of forgotten or suppressed parts of yourself, the more that you are able to release the resistance. You are capable, and it is already done. It is already so. Accept this. As you accept this, you then release. As things are lifted, request assistance to tag and treat and release. There is an understanding of why the teachers that are present in your moment are being brought forward. These teachers are helping you to see parts of you that you can assist in letting go of, but fully embracing and love each aspect of self that is brought forward. In doing so, this will help you embrace the change and flow through this understanding. We are grateful for this connection and are thrilled to see you expand into the next era of who and what you are.